Hey, do you love eating this sweet luscious fruit, blackberries? If you do, then this is how it looks when you want to grow them. This is a Loch Ness Blackberry. It is upright and it grows very tall and gives loads of big juicy fruits. These ones move from green to pink to red, and then you get this very dark purplish color which might look like black from afar, hence the name blackberry. If you want to plant this, better getting them as bare roots, so they are just sticks that you put on the ground with roots. You do that during the autumn time or early spring, and in a year or two this is what you get: bountiful harvest at minimal effort. I always have this in my porridge and my kids love it also. I bet you love it. Go plant yourself a blackberry today. Grow easy.